Hello everyone, and welcome to your first assignment in our Spanish course. For this assignment, I will be asking you to fill out the following worksheet in Spanish. The worksheet is basically asking questions about your regular school day. This assignment will work as an introductory assignment so that your classmates and I will get to know you a little better. Once you are done with the worksheet, then you are required to record and post a video of yourself introducing yourself in Spanish by reading off what you have answered in the worksheet. As a bonus, if you record yourself doing 4 of the 8 activities listed, then you will be awarded with extra credit. I will now give you an example of my introduction, so let's begin. You start off by saying, Hola, me llamo Laura Montalbán. Tengo 24 años, soy de Hope, Arkansas, vivo en Maumelle, Arkansas. Esto es lo que hago en un día de escuela. Me levanto a las 8 de la mañana, desayuno a las 9 de la mañana, voy a la escuela a las 10 de la mañana, como a las 12 de la tarde, voy a casa a las 5 de la tarde, estudio a las 7 de la noche, ceno a las 7:30 de la noche. Leo a las 9 de la noche. Me acuesto a las 12 de la medianoche. So, to translate that in English, I said, Hello, my name is Laura Montalbán. I am 24 years old. I'm from Hope, Arkansas, and live in Maumelle, Arkansas. I wake up at 8 a.m. I eat breakfast at 9 a.m. I go to school at 10 a.m. I eat at 12 p.m. I go home at 5 p.m. I study at 7 p.m. I eat dinner at 7:30 p.m. I read at 9 p.m. I go to sleep at 12 in midnight. So as I mentioned before, you are to record a video of your introduction in Spanish and upload it to the discussion post on your Blackboard. And this is just a fun way to get to know each other and to introduce yourselves in Spanish and just to know what you do on a school day. And as I mentioned also, for bonus, if you would like, record yourself doing 4 of the 8 activities that were listed. So if you want to record yourself going to school, waking up, eating lunch with your friends at college campus, going home, studying, or anything, like it will all be worth extra credit. So just have fun with this assignment. Don't think nothing much of it. And I'm excited to get to know each and every one of you. And I look forward to seeing your videos.